Hello everybody, and welcome to our new playthrough, Ratchet Clank. All for one. And we will turn on the subtitles because you might not hear the audio through our loud talking. And yes, there's one person playing.
Yeah.
Yep.
There's Andre, and there's me.
Wait, is there a save?
No, there isn't.
No, there's not.
Oh, yes, there is.
Press
square.
Square.
And then there's Maddie.
Yes.
And then there's
That's
me. I am Jamil. You already introduced me, didn't you?
Yeah.
Ah.
Okay, you can hit something.
Right. Let's get down to business. So we're gonna play Monopolis, Group Time Theater, normal, and
Okay.
Wait, there are cheats? That's cool.
alright, so I will be Captain Quark.
Being the resident Ratchet Clank nerd, I'm Ratchet.
And I'll be Clank. And Maddie's the third.
You wanna say it?
Yeah.
Okay. In the description I'll say who's who. Anyways, let's begin. Ooh, cutscene.
In conclusion, I humbly accept this award for subduing the insidious light-eating Zagroot against near impossible odds. How's that sound?
Quark, doesn't accepting an award for something you didn't do make you feel the slightest bit deceitful?
That depends. Does deceitful mean impressive? Heroic? Awe-inspiring? Fine, I don't care what it means. We're talking about a light-eating Zagroot here. You know what this will do for my approval rating?
I never even heard of an Intergalactic Tool of Justice award. Who did you say invited you?
I don't know. The guy was all cloak and dagger on the phone, but I'm sure the whole thing's on the up and up. Look at him, peacefully slumbering in the warm embrace of prior sleep.
I don't know about this. Maybe we should call Kronk and Zephyr.
Oh, Ratchet, so young, so unused to the spoils of do-goodery. Don't worry, when you're a hero, you'll understand. House lights?
Hello, Mr. President! So kind of you to accept my
There's Maddie.
invitation.
Dr. Nefarious. I was wondering when you'd be showing up. Is that your new space station? Looks a little smaller than the last one.
Oh, you're hysterical. Let's see you crack jokes from inside the digestive tract of a Zagroot!
I get to reanimate something.
Oh wait. Yep.
Help me, Lawrence!
Apologies, sir. I think it's time to tender my resignation.
Boss fight already? Wow.
Oh, there goes Lawrence.
Should be a playable character.
That's pretty badass.
A lot of
Oh, never mind.
I know, it's still probably cool.
At the end, he's just like, not already.
Potato.
Already. You okay? What is he doing? He's free.
Nice job, Quark.
Okay.
Someone you don't know invites you to receive an award you didn't earn,
guys.
and you just believe it?
For your
So, Alice to
information,
move.
I've accepted hundreds of awards I didn't earn, and only twice have
Wait,
I
how did you do that, Maddie?
why as a group.
Wait,
Maddie, how do you do that?
alright, defeat. Oh, chase down.
We...
These guys.
Does this work? Yes.
Plan to
Give me those
declare any of
bolts.
this on my tax return.
Oh, no.
Guys, we gotta explore.
I'm over here.
I'm right behind
Alright.
you guys.
Wait, guys, please.
I wonder, can I
Please,
do this?
please.
Oh no, I get the
Oh,
overjump. Oh.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, I get thrown on a bench.
Over here!
I'm going on a rampage.
Get wrecked.
Took you long enough.
Wait, over here. Jamil, come
Double
back.
jump.
There's probably some...
Alright, we can go back. We don't want it.
No, it's okay.
Okay, fine.
I'm Kip Darling.
Kip Dog. Who's Kip Dog? Oh, triangle to tether a teammate.
And I'm Pepper Fairbanks.
Compete for bolts.
And we're coming to you live from Luminopolis, where Dr. Nefarious has just released a light eating zagroot upon the city.
The latest attack from the diabolical doctor couldn't have come at a
Oh, no.
worse time. Currently, the
My
entire
bolts.
Polaris
Yo.
Defense Force is off on a field trip to the single and hating it speed dating
Ooh,
convention
oh, slingshot.
in Meridian City.
Oh, what?
What?
No, Maddie, thank you.
Oh, shoot!
Oh,
Maddie, we
Oh, it
must collect
worked.
them all.
No! Give me the bolts.
yeah, buddy. No.
Fine.
Oh, I almost died. Oh my god.
Okay, we're like, oh, checkpoint, I think.
What was it to indicate all the bolts now?
On the
L2.
Over here, cadet.
But L2 like,
I'm over here.
does something else. Alright,
I
let's go.
think it shows you
Oh,
how
it's
many...
like a waypoint thingy, like it's a blink. Like, guys, in here.
I believe there's bolts on the left.
Wait, guys, there's bolts over here.
And the right.
Oh.
Which way do we have to go?
The depravity of this
we
creature
have to go
knows
this
no
way.
bounds.
Okay, let's go back then.
Just destroyed
This is probably
Rusty
something.
Pete's healthy hamburger shack. Its
Whoa.
vegan wheatgrass and tree
Yeah,
bark burger was a favorite of hipsters everywhere.
Mine.
Damage.
There we go.
Let's go. We jumped in the air and he did us on the top.
No. No,
No,
okay.
come back. There's another box.
No,
Oh, I missed it. No. That'd be
it's not like it's AP or anything.
well, no, but it's kind of, this is kind of a contest as well.
Oh yeah. Because you do
competitive.
use bolts to buy stuff, right?
Wait, yes!
Slam
Alright.
attack.
Wait,
Ooh, bolts.
Bolts.
okay, I think I figured it out. If the bolts are like blue, or
Yeah.
it'll go straight to you.
So we got a checkpoint, I guess. Let's go.
I'm over here.
I'm
Get
awesome. I'm in a suit.
Ah, don't do that.
Oh,
Let's
yeah,
chuck in a boomerang.
I
Yeah.
can throw my wrench.
Wait, how do you do the range attack?
R2 is square.
Yep.
Oh, how do you guys? What?
Oh, what's he doing?
Test.
Oh, he's eating energy, I think.
He's eating the fish.
Oh, I thought it was energy.
Well, maybe they're like...
Oh, there's.
That's why he's eating them. They're electrified.
See, we were both right.
Alright, let's get these
That's
guys.
cool that it's how
Oh, sweet, I also
That's
throw like a
clearly
boomerang.
one of
Where the hell am I?
humanoid conduits.
Get wrecked.
Did he just say
Camille, you're dead.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's Galactic President
Yeah,
Copernicus Clark.
Die.
What is this game? Look, I have like a. Look.
Get
Like a
wrecked.
sling. Yeah, that's a boomerang. Everybody has one.
No, like
This
if you hold
is
triangle,
an
look.
unusual turn of events.
Little triangle.
No, R2 triangle.
Oh, R2 triangle?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Oh, it's like you're aiming. Oh, okay.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
There I go.
Moving on, Nefarious.
Wow. Right.
No.
Okay.
No, I almost walked off the edge. That was
And
bad.
jump.
Mm.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yo, don't hit those.
I've got my.
I love
Yay!
this suit.
Boxes!
Ah,
So
stairs.
No. Mine.
Stairs are for plugs. Nah.
No.
Slam it. Ooh.
Oh, it's like an enemy.
Okay, we gotta wait for Alta.
Oh, okay.
I got the one on the left.
Switch. Oh, it's like a switch. Plus 5. Holy crap, I have 1,000 bolts.
Alex is in the lead.
Of course.
And Jamil's trailing behind. No. Cheers,
Haha.
All mine. Aw.
Oh jeez.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Jamil, these bolts, Alex.
You look like you could
Not
use
so
it.
many.
Wow.
Gotta catch up.
Oh, hey, health
Ooh,
rate.
restore health.
Okay, who has the lowest health?
Attack.
Okay, me or Maddie? Maddie, rock, paper, scissors, for.
Rock, paper, scissors. Haha.
Damn it.
Control point. That would be such a wonderful thing to do.
Oh wait, I think there's multiple. Oh, whatever. Give me the ball. Holy crap.
Okay, so we gotta work together.
Oh,
on
wait.
this. Ring bell.
Okay. Wait, Andre, come over here.
Did I
Andre,
just
come
die?
here. There's health over here.
Yes.
Yeah, Jamil, I think you should follow go off.
Okay, R2 square.
Yeah, everybody has to.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I'll teach
There we
you
go.
to assault my fair city. Come
Taxi.
on. We're commandeering this
Taxi.
taxi.
Yay, the boring taxi
Oh.
ride part.
Apprehend this group. Using the air tag. Oh, we can move it.
It looks
Okay.
like our heroes have
Okay.
commandeered an
Oh,
air
move
taxi
right.
in order to
Or do
catch
we
up
go
to
to
the
No, go right, go right.
Bold move. Let's hope
Oh
it
my
ends
God.
Why is it going down?
Go to the back, everybody.
To the back.
To the back.
I'm so confused. Oh, no.
Oh, no,
Go
no,
down.
This taxi
Oh, left.
has appeared.
Right.
Perhaps shifting
Left.
position.
Oh, left.
Left. Right.
Right.
This may be a bad time to mention this,
Left,
but
no.
I haven't
Left.
driven in a while.
Straight. No, wait, come on.
This is pretty cool.
Watch out for the air
Oh,
car.
oh God. Guys, let's go right.
Oh yeah, we gotta go right.
Here's an interesting fact.
Left.
Look.
Oh, wow.
This is a creature of
Right,
destruction
okay,
President
fine.
Parker-
No.
What is this?
Oh my God.
No. Right. Left. Okay, we suck. We suck.
Why are we going in the oncoming thing? This sucks.
Lol. We died
We'll see
already.
you guys.
No, it's
Oh,
okay.
no. No.
Right.
We'll see you guys.
Right now. Right. Middle. Right.
Middle.
Right.
Right.
Left.
Right.
Andre, you only have to save one. Andre, please. Left.
Right.
Oh. Right.
Okay, stay in the middle. Oh, never mind.
No.
GG.
Oh,
Destroying the
Jesus.
city.
Yeah, he is destroying the city.
I have located the group. We are almost there.
Teamwork.
Wait, what does that mean?
Oh, we're gonna have to.
Dodge it!
No thanks. Lol. Oh yeah.
Grinding!
Oh, yeah,
yeah,
grind
boy.
rails.
You can
Oh,
control it!
That is cool.
It's like
Don't settle
I
for
don't
a
remember the
boring
grinding.
Bully.
Spin to
Oh, yeah.
Great.
Ah!
Thanks to Proton.
Oh, like
Zero
Cap Cork.
profit.
Cork is a
What?
jam.
No, you cannot.
Oh,
Okay, wait, we got.
Clank. You
Oh,
want that help?
Yeah.
No.
my points, guys.
Get
Mine. Drill.
Oh, you have to hit the top. I thought you just have to hit around it.
Oh,
that?
X square is smash.
No, like, I didn't know you have to hit, like, the
Strange,
top of the robot. I
unidentified
thought you
robots
just have to
have
hit around
teleported
it.
into city limits. I'm no expert.
Oh no, they're destroying the boxes.
Well, I get those bolts.
Oh, we each got one.
One could only
Chuck.
surmise that
He
these
tries to
robots
spread
have
it as
chosen
evenly
to
as
take advantage
possible
of our
if you're not-
distraction
if
with
there's
his
no
group
player
and
that's
invade our city.
Hey, get away from my pound.
Oh, my.
Paris is your pal.
No, it's me.
Ow.
Okay, triangle.
Here.
Dang it. Maddie, go to the. Oh, okay. Wait. No, oh, go. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
You guys aren't here.
3, 2, 1. Oh, what the heck?
I'm so confused.
Here, Maddie, go to the other side.
Nice one, pal.
Looks
Okay.
like our
Oh,
There
what?
we go.
Yeah, we all have to jump. Ooh,
And thank
yay.
you for taking part
I
in
won.
Friendship
Ooh, Combuster.
Are you ready to get certified?
Coming
Buster
soon.
bomb,
Just
arc
recording,
flasher,
I
double
was
banger,
Um,
warbunker. Ooh, that's
Mr. Zircon. Wait, Darkstar.
Lister. Critter Snake, Icon, Pyroblaster, Dark Star.
Alright, I guess everybody's gonna buy the
One of our
Combuster.
Mega Attack, Thunder
Ah.
Snack.
I just bought it.
Best name ever.
You have to
Thunder
buy it?
Snack.
Yeah.
Oh, this
Wait,
is
do you
awkward.
upgrade the
You
weapon?
don't have enough bolts for
I
that
don't
one.
know.
Why not try one of our gently used
Friendship with.
blasters?
Oh, I thought.
Exit. Triangle, everybody.
Oh, it was a shop.
Automated training program will teach you how to use blasters.
The weapons
Start by
shop we have
unholstering your
down
weapon.
here.
Oh, no, they're gonna
Okay,
teach us.
safety
What the
precautions,
cork?
disclaimers, warnings, yada yada yada. Aha! Okay, step 1. Fire!
Oh, okay. It's like automatic. Wait.
It's not automatic until we open it.
Like, no, we
Impressive shooting,
can't.
citizen.
How'd you do that?
Right
Mastered
stick.
the same technique I employed when I vanquished Dr. Nefarious. Sorry. Guess I'm having a
You
hard
can tell
time
who's
listening to
aiming at what if they by the circle around it.
Oh,
Thank
Captain.
Wait, did you are?
when I
Oh.
first became
Hey,
a
how do you
hero
shoot?
was
R1.
known that people
Maddie.
don't enjoy getting shot. If your
You don't wanna
target
waste your
refuses to stand still, try locking
you
onto
have
them with
ammo.
your weapon.
Oh, okay, I want to try it though.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Clank.
If
Wow.
you're
Wait, no,
ready,
no, how?
chances are
Wait.
you'll
No,
be
I'm gonna go
right
rapid
time to
fire.
die. Try firing your combustors at once to deliver a supercharged
Alright, let's do the right
blast of power.
Fire.
How do you like aim at it?
Fire.
Just hold it. Okay, nice.
fire.
Citizen, you are now certified to carry a weapon inside city limits.
I'm
Thank
an
you for your
evil guy.
participation in the Friends Firepower Initiative. Have a truly awesome day.
Oh, ammo pad.
Ammo pad's pretty cool.
Ammo.
Oh,
Ammo
okay.
counts as display. Yeah.
Thanks, Tips.
Maddie is out of whoever is Maddie is out of ammo.
Buster sucks.
I am
Unless you use two.
I am
We gotta
dead.
use Timmy boxes. Yeah! Okay, guys, we have to all stand here.
Stuff to kill stuff.
No.
You can only each use it once.
Eat. No, wait. Okay, there we go. Okay, alright.
The Zagroot has just been sighted making its way towards the Luminopolis power plant, and it looks like the unidentified robots are following. They must be here for the Zagroot.
Wow, what a...
Black can come out from under
They're
your
black.
Oh, okay.
Oh jeez.
Everyone aim at it!
This is starting to look familiar now.
That didn't go as planned.
No, I can't.
Everyone aim at it, it's fire!
Why do they always?
Fire!
They always.
Fire!
Looks like our
Yay.
heroes have acquired some new firepower.
Everyone get on that to refill your ammo.
To ambush the Zagroot.
If three marriages taught me anything, it's that deception
Mine!
and surprise are the key ingredients
Fire.
of any successful offensive.
I ain't wasting my ammo, guys. I don't know what else. Oh, mine.
Dang it.
The bolt grabber power up lets you break crates.
Ooh!
No.
Yeah.
Oh, you have a bolt grabber.
We...
Alright, let's shoot the right one first.
Yeah, how do we aim at it, though?
L1.
No, but it like... Okay, let's do the left one.
Fire!
Oh, do you just click it and then it'll lock on?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you...
Well, I'm holding it.
Everyone aim at it, go! Come on, guys.
Yeah.
There we go.
You,
Plus 5. Oh, crap.
you look like you could
Ow.
use a good spank.
Oh, what the?
Spread out.
Oh, do not die, Ratchet. Ratchet, do not
Thank you for
die.
helping, Camille.
Ow!
It's bolt.
Oh, I need health. I need health.
There's one right there.
Oh, I need get these. Get these scrubs.
They are scrubs.
Okay, ready? Oh, wait!
Oh, you ready, child?
There we go.
Just stand on the thing and try to
Get
find
ready,
it.
Ratchet.
Let's take this moment to check in with Born Garblak about the mysterious robots tracking the Zagroot.
Bolt.
Minutes to Garblak. Any ideas as to
Fire,
who
destroy
owns
these
robots?
minions.
Ow.
Oh no, I almost fell.
It is quite possible that the Zagroot belongs to these robots, and that they've come to retrieve it. Until we learn
No.
Oh, I need
Fire, everybody.
to remain in there.
I need to use
I
my
need the power.
Okay.
Friendship.
Oh, thank you, Minister Garblak.
Captain Planet.
Now I can
He's
purchase
a
new
hero.
value, shall I have been advised.
What humanity?
Yeah.
Done.
Man, you guys dying already.
I would have you, Ratchet.
I don't know.
Ammo.
No, it's because I got blown up on the streets.
Suffer the
You
ride.
guys.
Yeah.
Ow.
Kitten style.
Oh,
Ow.
we got fire.
Ow.
Fire.
Fire at will.
I'm helping Alice.
Scrubber bots are still coming behind us.
Okay,
Ow. Oh god, I got one now.
I have one.
Whoosh.
Come on, guys.
Teamwork.
Ooh, boxes! Fun!
Give me that.
Oh! Yes!
Oh, what? I didn't get it.
You have to walk up to it, dude. Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it. I'm sorry.
We got
Look
ammo.
how high I jumped. Aww.
Because you got that. Oh, we gotta shoot these things.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I'll shoot them. Yeah. We each get 5 plus something. I think it's balls.
Bolts.
No, it's not.
No, it's,
Oh,
I
it's
think
points.
it's ammo.
No, it's not ammo. I checked the ammo. Oh. Let's see.
Boom! What?
Why'd you get it again? What?
Ah, I think those are my. Yes.
Wait, there's
Wait,
something
guys,
to the
there's
right.
something over here. Maddie!
Stop it.
Maddie! Maddie!
Stop.
Maddie! My power-up's gonna run out.
Oh, it's a power.
Yeah.
Is it friendly fire?
No.
Okay.
Kinda sucks. Oh
Why would it suck?
well. Because I can't hit people.
Can't.
I can't hit you guys if you're being annoying.
We can do this. We.
No.
What?
No.
Doink.
I can show you the world.
Bye. Oh,
Oh, we're
whoa.
supposed to hang on to it. Okay. Shining, shivering, splat. Oh, yeah, there we go. That's good.
Wait. What? Oh, you don't have to hold it.
Yeah, cause you know.
Oh, okay.
I can show you the world.
I am here.
Oh, what?
Chase Stone's root. Well,
Hello. Oh, boss fight. Boss fight.
tasty.
And the fight is on. The entire city
Fire.
Everyone, we must fire together. Jamil.
Fire.
Oh,
Friendship.
Oh.
Just a reminder.
Oh shoot.
Okay, come on, guys. One more time.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, I see what's happening.
Jump.
Jump!
Okay, we
Power of friendship. Andre, no.
I'm back.
Power of friendship.
Yes.
Keep powering a friendship in him.
Keep power of friend. Oh my god.
I'm the only one that hasn't died now. No. No. No.
I've only got one bullet,
Oh,
guys.
he's.
Maddie, there's a thing over here.
Oh, yes.
We gotta shoot that.
Yeah, do
Guys,
it.
we gotta shoot that.
I'm sorry.
Plus, he's getting help.
You know you can just hold it, right?
Down he
Oh.
goes. This is
Clicky's better.
I tell you, ladies and
Run. Run.
seen anything like this.
I shall wait here.
Oh, he gets French.
Fire.
I will get the bolts.
How do you sprint?
Our station
Oh.
patrols are
We-
still taking
Oh, I
count,
didn't
but it
do
appears
that.
that we're
Gunshot. Ooh, wait.
losing both with the property.
A city in shambles, a galaxy in debt, and a lavish
you
Meridian
get
City
it?
retreat forged from
R2 squared.
expensive raritanium.
R2
All this begs the question.
R2 squared is
Galaxy had
No, it's a
enough.
Or no, like, oh yeah. It's
Oh,
drawing.
yeah.
In my case,
Guys,
it's not a boomerang.
We're
it's a wrench
grinding.
Oh, I'm first now.
Maddie likes to grind.
Oh, shoot. Can I move back? Oh, no.
Wait, this fight may not be over. There's a group
Oh shoot!
How did you not notice that?
I just
I
did.
can
Careful.
barely watch, folks. The monster is watching everything in its path with bloodthirsty resolve. It's like watching some elderly cat lady on Black Friday as she claws her way mercilessly toward the last pair of self-cleaning stunderwear.
Who is this
Underwear.
Who is this
Maybe in
Kip
real
guy?
trouble. The group does not seem to be giving
Ah. Yeah.
I'm over here.
Okay, so
Perhaps we can make use of those fusion turrets.
Yeah, good job, Alex.
perhaps. Anyways,
It looks like the heroes are attempting to use the fusion turrets on
wait.
top of Zog Tower.
What?
Remember, former Minister of Defense
guys.
Why do you think Alex?
installed in the event of an attack by Dr. Nefarious. How's that for irony?
This is the important.
okay. So
Okay,
I guess
so,
this will be the end of this episode.
we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe.
All right. See ya. Bye.